Hello everyone, myself Shivtej Falke and my partner name is Tuja Gotne, student of Ashokramane Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Research Save. This video is guided by Mr. A.N. Dhagesar. Subject: Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance. We are presenting the steps involved in complaint handling and the evaluation of the complaints. In that first, steps involved in complaint handling. Definition of complaint. Complaint is defined as statement that is something wrong or not good enough, which shows customer dissatisfaction about the company and the product. Example: complaint about packaging materials, concerning about the product, etc. Objective of complaints: to immediately recall the product, investigate and to take corrective measure against the product in question. Recall affirms removal or correction of a marketed product that FDA considers to be in violation of law. Types of complaint: first, quality complaints; second, adverse reaction complaints; third, medical related complaints. Receiving the complaints verbal, forwarding to heads of quality assurance, quality control department. Investigation of the complaints. Report (product, complainant, sample, action taken, etc. details. Assigning a specific PCR number, example PCR/001/11. Recalls if any. Maintenance of register of complaints. Steps of handling of complaints. Proposed handling system is in compliance with the GMP guidelines of EU, USA and Brazil and is presented in 4 steps. First, receiving complaints; second, technical investigation; third, corrective actions / feedback to customer; and the fourth, monthly reports and trend analysis. Complaint and how to complain. Receiving complaint. It is important to have open channels with customers in order to receive their suggestions, documents and complaints. Generally, these channels are toll-free numbers, emails, chat rooms and P.O. boxes. The most flexible channels are toll-free numbers and chat rooms. A person must be appointed in charge of receiving complaints and inputting them into appropriate investigation form that shall be addressed. The investigation form must include information about the complaints: name, address, phone number, email, information about the drug product, product name, lot number, manufacturer and expiry date, amount of the product with the problem, detailed description of the complaint. Technical investigation. Upon recipient of the investigation form, the Quality Assurance Unit is able to start the investigation. It is divided into 2 phases: documentation based investigation, laboratory analysis. Documentation based investigation. The primary documentation to be reviewed of complaints files. This is constituted to check how many other complaints of the same nature had occurred to a specific lot and how they were handled. Batch records must be verified in order to see if there were any non-conformance during the production. Laboratory analysis phase. It consists of requesting the quality control laboratory to analyze complaint sample, retained sample. Complaint sample are the customer sample. Retained sample, the reservoir samples representative of the lot manufactured (which were kept under appropriate conditions of temperature, humidity and light so that the drug product was not affected. The company elects a person in a quality assurance unit to be in charge of technical investigation of each complaint. Example, a complaint officer. The second is evaluation of complaint handling. Evaluating of complaints. It's the responsibility of the in-charge quality control to see that each complaint is recorded, evaluated and reported to the management. Include the following information. First, content complaints. This should include name, dosage form, package form, batch number, date and the place of occurrence of complaint, cause of complaint, name and address of complaint in details. Results of the investigation. It includes regarding marketplace, circulation condition and condition in which the defect was observed, result of investigation of analysis and testing records, production and storage records, evaluation, follow-up measures. It includes a reply to the complainant, remedial action so that complaint of this type should not recur. Thank you for watching.